In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Doordash delivery address during an active order. First, open the Doordash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you used to place the order and that you have a reliable internet connection so changes save right away. If your app prompts for an update, letting it update can prevent glitches while you make the change. Next, head to the Orders tab to find your active order. You'll see it listed with a live tracker showing the status, confirmed, being prepared, or on the way. Tap into that active order. If you only see past orders, it likely means you don't have one in progress right now, and address changes won't be available. Inside the order tracker, look for the help option. It usually appears on the tracking screen where you can see your restaurant and Dasher details. Tap help to open the menu of actions you can take for this order. From the help menu, select change delivery address. A field will appear where you can enter the new destination. Type the address carefully and choose a match from the suggestions so Doordash pins the exact location. Add any important details like the apartment or suite number to avoid delays. Keep in mind that the new address generally needs to be within the service area and reasonably close to your original drop-off. If it's too far or outside the zone, the app may not allow the change. After entering the new address, confirm the change. You should see the map and ETA update to reflect the new destination. Then notify your Dasher right away through the in-app message option. A quick, clear note like "I updated the address" in the app helps them navigate correctly and reduces the chance of missed deliveries. Be responsive if they have a question while they're on the way. A quick tip to wrap up: Doordash only lets you change the address while the order is in progress. If you're planning for a future delivery, update your saved address ahead of time by going to Account Addresses and setting your correct default. That way, your orders route to the right place automatically and you won't need to adjust mid-delivery. That's it. Open the app, go to your active order, use help to change the delivery address, confirm, and let your Dasher know. Follow these steps and you'll handle mid-order address tweaks smoothly and with minimal disruption.